In this tutorial, we're going to explore the EQ magic method in Python. This method is used for class comparison, and today, we will learn why, when, and how to use it. Here, we've created a basic class book with title and author as attributes. Let's create two different book objects. Now, let's compare these two book objects using == operator. We can see that even though the title and author are the same, Python still treats book 1 and book 2 as different objects. This is because, by default, Python compares the memory addresses of objects. Now, we'll fix this situation by overriding the EQ method. In the updated book class, we have now added the EQ method. This method checks if the other object is an instance of book and then compares the title and author of the current object with the other object. Now, let's create two book objects and compare them again. As you can see, now that we have overridden the EQ method, Python compares the books based on their title and author attributes. Hence, book 1 and book 2 are considered equal. Overriding the EQ method is essential when we want to define our own equality logic for objects of a class. That's all for today's tutorial on Python's EQ magic method. We hope you now understand the importance of this method and how to use it. Remember, Python is an easy and fun language to learn. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more educational Python programming videos. Happy coding!